Want to get best responses from AI? Then you need to master prompt engineering. Today I'll be sharing with you 10 game-changing tips that will help you craft perfect prompt every time. Let's dive in. Point number 1. Be specific and clear. Vague prompts will get vague answers. Instead of saying, tell me about marketing, try writing, explain digital marketing strategies for startup in 2025. You see the difference, right? We are being more specific and more detail oriented. Point number 2. Use structured formatting. AI loves structure. Instead of giving a prompt, list some benefits of exercise. Try writing, list 5 health benefits of regular exercise in bullet points so that AI can generate more granular, formatted, and structured response. Point number 3. Try providing context or give some background to the prompt that you're trying to ask. For example, instead of just saying, write a blockchain blog post, try asking, write a 300-word beginner-friendly blog post explaining blockchain technology for non-technical reasons. Here you can see that you are providing enough context with more details like how the response should be. Point number 4. Set the tone and style. Instead of writing, explain quantum computing, try writing, explain quantum computing in simple terms as if I am a high school student. Here you can see that we are setting the tone and the language of the response that we are expecting back from the AI. Point number 5. Use examples. Instead of simply writing, write a product description, you should try writing, write a product description like this and provide some example. And then you ask your question, now create one of a wireless earbud with 30-hour battery life. So this will, not only you are telling the AI that what type of product description that you are looking for, but it will help to create more similar description based on the example that you have provided. Point number 6, iterate and refine. Instead of writing, how do I improve my resume? You can try asking, suggest 3 actionable ways to make my resume stand out for a software engineering internship. You can further narrow down your prompt as you go on talking with the AI to make sure you are focusing on the important parts of the resume that you want to get improved, leaving out the rest of the portion in which you are not interested. Point number 7, limit response length. Instead of just writing, tell me about climate change, try asking, summarize the causes of climate change in 2 sentences, if that's all you need. Because the more lengthy the response is, the more number of tokens will be utilized. So in order to make sure that you are spending the tokens on the questions where you need the more detailed ones as compared to the questions where you don't need much of the greater detail. So try adding these restrictions into the prompt so that you can get the results accordingly. Point number 8, assign a role. Instead of asking, how do I fix my sleep schedule? Try asking, act as a sleep specialist. Give me a 5-step plan to fix my sleep schedule. Here you can see that in my prompt, I am making sure that the AI should act as a sleep specialist so that they can give more detailed answer or the responses as a sleep specialist backed by some true facts and science. Point number 9, multi-step prompts. Make sure you are breaking down the more complex tasks. For example, instead of writing, analyze this stock market data, try asking, first, summarize the trends in this stock data. Next, predict risks for 2024. Finally, suggest 2 safe investment strategies. So here you can see that I have a big and a complex problem, but I'm trying to make it multi-step prompt so that the AI can tackle each and every aspect of the question in which I'm interested. Point number 10, avoid bias and ambiguity. Instead of asking, why is social media harmful? Try asking, compare the pros and cons of a social media on mental health backed by research. From model to model and AI to AI, the model response can vary if you don't restrict the response of the AI based on and backed by some research or sciences. So it's better to make sure that you have added these points and not to get vague answers. To recap, be specific and clear, use structured formatting, provide context, set the tone and style, use example, iterate and refine, limit response length, assign a role, multi-step prompts, avoid bias and ambiguity. And that's it. 10 pro tips to supercharge your AI interactions. Which one was your favorite? Drop in a comment. See you in the next one. Thank you.